first and second stanzas, we have seen that the dolphins compare that in the sea everything was so real, but in the pool there is no truth, everything is artificial. Then their flesh used to react and they could feel the change in the environment, but now no explanations tremble on their flesh. They felt blessed in the sea and they are not blessed in the pool. The sea is vast, but there same space in the pool. They were free in the sea. Here they are controlled by man. Okay. Now let's see the third and fourth stanzas. And now we are no longer blessed. Okay. So the dolphin says, in this artificial pool we feel that we are not blessed anymore. For the world will not deepen to dream in. World is the water, the pool water. That here in this artificial pool, it will not deepen. It is the limited space. So this pool will not go deep where we can go and rest and dream of freedom or dream of different things. So the world, the water will not deepen. This pool will not deepen to dream. Dream of what? To dream of freedom. It's just we cannot even dream of freedom over here because the pool is so shallow. The other knows, means the other dolphin knows, understands, and out of love reflects me for myself, means the other dolphin also understands what I understand, and they see themselves in me, means they feel what pain they are undergoing, the same pain I am undergoing. So they can feel, they can see their image in me. They can feel the pain of mine because they are also undergoing the same pain. We see our silver skin flash by like memory, and when we remember of the sea, we remember how our skin used to flash, shine in the moonlight, in the silvery moonlight. So it is like an old memory that our skin used to flash, shine. Here, no moon and no shining of the skin, only artificial bulbs are there. Okay? Or somewhere else means the sea. So the memory of sea, what memory of the sea we have? That our skin used to shine over there, flash. There is a colored ball, and here what is there? A colored ball. So our first stanza, hoops are mentioned. Now colored ball that they have to balance. We have to balance till the man has disappeared, means the man who controls us, our trainer, till he has gone. We have to balance that ball and entertain the audience, the spectators. We have to perform that. The moon has disappeared, and the dolphin says that in this artificial pool there is no moon, means moon is there in the sky but we cannot see it because we is the dolphins are in the artificial pool. Then there are shades for the people to sit, okay, and there are shades also, so they cannot see the stars and moon and all that. What they see is cloth and ceiling, okay, all that, closed area. So the moon has disappeared, means they cannot see the moon from the artificial pool. We circle well-worn grooves of water, means we go in circles in the water on a single note. What is this note? Whistle. So when the trainer whistles, then we go round and round in that pool water for the entertainment of the audience, of the spectators. Music of loss forever. And what does this whistle of the man signify? This sound of whistle signifies that we have lost our freedom forever. We are not going to be free now. From the other's heart, which turns my own to stone. So it says, the dolphin compares that my heart turns to stone when I see the condition of other dolphins. How they have to perform, how they are kept hungry, okay, and how they are sad that they have limited space. Okay, 5-6 dolphins in a small pool. So they have very limited space. So dolphin says, music of loss forever from the other's heart. So this whistle's sound is the loss of freedom forever from the heart of the other dolphins. The other dolphins have given up the hope of being free forever. And seeing this, my heart, means the dolphin, the speaker says that her heart changes to stone. It feels very sad. There is a plastic toy and they have to perform with the toy also, plastic toy. There is no hope. So there they had enjoyment, freedom, but here in this artificial pool, no hope of getting out of this. Now there is no hope that they will go back to the sea. We sink to the limits of the pool, means we have to go down in this pool only. Limits means the limited space of this pool. So when the other dolphin is performing, whose role is not there, they go down in the artificial pool, and when their role comes, they come up. Otherwise also the limited space only, they have to go down in that only. So they sink in the limit of that pool until the whistle blows. So until the trainer blows the whistle, they go down, and as soon as the whistle is blown, they come up, perform their act, and again go and hide in that pool water. There is a man, the trainer, and our mind knows we will die here, that we are going to die in this pool. There is no chance that we will get out of this pool. I hope this poem is clear. It's very simple but very heart-touching poem. So those who keep pet animals like parrots in the cage, pet dog is okay because that is free. Okay, you can have it free and you give so much love to it. But the animals that are kept in prison, okay, through this poem, the writer, the poet Carol Ann Duffy is trying to give a message to the people that how much pain they undergo. They cannot speak anything, but this is the pain of the animals kept in captivity. So whatever the question is asked from the poem, okay, basically it will be you have to write from the poem itself. And to get more marks in poem, you have to write the quotes, means the lines of the poem. But it's not like that you write 2 lines and then you explain, and again you write 2 lines and explain, not like that. That's called paraphrasing. Don't do that. Okay, you write the answer in your words, but use the phrases or few lines, okay, 1 line or 2 lines maximum at a time, and write that in black to highlight, and that is like a quote when you write the answers of your poem. Okay, so in the beginning you can begin with the theme, you can begin with the animal, captivity, whatever according to the question, okay, but marks are only on what is asked in the question according to that. So poetry answers are shorter as compared to the drama and prose, okay, but you need to explain and write the quotes properly to gain more marks. So we'll give you a practice of that, how to write the answers, we'll give you if the time permits, so that you have an idea how to write the answers. For now say, you learn the poem, this will help you in writing the answers clearly and to gain more marks.